Hello everyone, this is Angeline Tripavadi from Bishop Heber College, Tiruchirappalli. This video is about DIY of the dynamic hologram of three-dimensional image projection. In this video, I am going to discuss about holography and how to create an hologram using DIY with the help of a smartphone. Introduction. Holography is composed of two Greek terms. Halo means whole view and gram means writing or drawing. Holography is a production of hologram, which is an advanced form of photography that allows an image to be recorded in three-dimensional, that is 360-degree view of holographic image, which produce lifelike image and are known as lensless photography. Therefore, the father of holographic technique is Denis Gabau, who received the Nobel Prize in 1971. Experimental detail. How to create an hologram using DIY with the help of a smartphone. Aim: to know how hologram helps in displaying dynamic three-dimensional image projection using DIY. Principle: an object is illuminated with an object beam of coherent light, then every point on the surface of an object acts as a source of secondary waves. These secondary waves spreads in all directions. Some of these waves are allowed to fall on a recording holographic plate. Simultaneously, another reference beam of same coherent light is allowed to fall on this holographic plate. In the holographic plate, both the beam combine and interference pattern will be formed. This interference pattern is recorded on the holographic plate. The three-dimensional image of the object can be seen by exploring the recorded holographic plate to coherent light. This is the principle of holography. Observation. Holography is a three-dimensional process. Only laser light can be used. It's a lensless system and has cost-effective, high resolution, high storage capacity, increased feasibility of object depth, enables the achievements of multiple image on a single plate and gives three-dimensional image. It has the ability to combine with other technologies. Also, holographic technology are not just about art or business communication. They are about safety, security, education, planning, and the strength of our civilization in future. Result. DIY of the dynamic hologram of three-dimensional image projection is displayed. In future, all displays like television, mobile displays, projector display, LED display will be replaced by holographic displays.